Hello and welcome to Financial Success Secrets. Today, we'll be talking about personal finance and financial independence, a very important topic that affects all of our lives. Financial independence is the state where you have complete control over your finances and can live without relying on other sources of income. It's important because it gives us freedom and financial security, and it's something that we all should strive for. But unfortunately, many people face obstacles when trying to achieve financial independence. One of the main barriers is debt, which can trap us in a cycle of monthly payments and prevent us from saving money for the future. Another common problem is excessive spending, which can lead us to accumulate things that we don't need or can't afford. And finally, lack of financial planning can lead us to make irrational and detrimental decisions for our pockets. But don't worry, there are some simple tips that can help you control your finances and achieve financial independence. The first is to create a budget. This means setting a limit for your expenses and ensuring that you don't exceed this amount. It's important to include all your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and variable expenses such as food, leisure, and transportation. Another important tip is to save money. It's important to have an emergency fund in case something unexpected happens, such as a health problem or a car repair. In addition, it's important to set long-term savings goals, such as buying a house or retiring. And finally, it's important to invest your money. This can help you increase your income and achieve financial independence faster. There are various investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and it's important to choose the one that best fits your profile and financial goals. I hope these tips can help you. Thank you, and don't forget to leave a like and comment.